You know, say you should have done liar.
Be careful what you wish for, cause if I did turn a liar, I'd prosecute you and lock up your backside.
Me take it back. Me glad you're not on liar.
But I'm a good marketing specialist, so I can help you with that.
Come here. Tell me something. You sure your man not gonna have a problem with you spend so much time around me?
Make me worry about that. I never tell you someone want to work. I tell you someone can help you.
Help how?
Give suggestions. Help out with the social media page. Wait. The place have a social media page, right?
Me think so, you know.
Here ya. Mr. Manager, you don't know if the place have a social media page? I'ma check. Oh, see dear. Yeah, this needs some attention.
Yeah. What you suggest?
Just more visibility so you can reach new audience. Don't worry, me think about some things.
So, how much you gonna charge me for this now?
Calm down yourself, sir. But it's time I gonna help you. And the time for money yet.
Business are business. And let me tell you this. If your man knows say you work with the place, he might not pray you.
Speak of the devil. Yes, babe. Yeah. We'll leave over mommy now. She not there here now. Them just gone on the road. Must soon reach over. Yeah. About an hour or so. Yeah. She gonna come over next week. Yeah, babe. Alright. Later.
Yo, me only hope say your man not go on like my youth a female youth, you know.
Hello. Father Olang. Take a look at the bass out of your voice. Nobody not try raise your daughter. And you did go on like you want to go dead house or prison and make somebody else raise her. I know me.
Well, me deb out. So just make him know that.
Oi, you just do what you have to do. That's all. Here?
When me I go see my picnic?
But here, yeah. She lost. You don't know if you find her.
Yo, remember say your mother not like me, you know.
Kamisha, your picnic. So when you want her, go look for her.
So tell me something. She can't come look for me as one day.
No. Me have to see you keep that job here for a while. Cause I know you broke my picnic heart. Next thing she come here, your manager. Then yard boy. Then garbage man.
How you move so Camille?
So you can't blame me? Trevor, you move very irresponsible more while. Prove yourself. And you will have your picnic them in your life forever. The real one them and the jacket them.
You know say you never did that for God, so?
Sorry. That was a low blow for real.
You know it's a real one if you come give me.
Anyways, may I leave now? By the way, Mama ask you a question. When I say you're from Sonia?
It's been a while, you know. And right now, I don't even know if she go want to see me. I have to just set myself first.
And you make your bed. So you have to lay down in it. All me can tell you is, that girl that did check for you. She the only one me did rate still.
Well, I go give her some time still.
Okay, sir.
Come here. You know, say out of everybody, you me check for the most.
I know.